Let's head out to my garden where the bumblebees and the butterflies have been really busy this year. I planted this echinacea from tiny seedlings last year, and it was so great to see them grow so tall and beautiful this year. I couldn't sit and watch them too long though, because I had a job to do. This cherry tomato plant has produced hundreds of these little tiny tomatoes. So let's gather some together and then we'll go inside and cook a meal with them. I decided to make a vegetable plate this time for dinner, just using up some produce I had around the house. So first I decided to go ahead and cook up my sweet potatoes. And since it's so hot, I didn't want to use my oven, so I went ahead and put them in my Instant Pot. Next, we'll start our zucchini tomato dish. So chop up a fresh onion. We'll heat up some oil in a skillet and go ahead and add your onion to start that sauteing while we finish the rest of the vegetables. Go ahead and chop up your cherry tomatoes. I also added a bit of these teardrop shaped yellow ones just for a bit of color. And now we can go ahead and dice up our zucchini. Go ahead and cut it into bite-sized shapes. I used 2 medium and it turned out really well. And now go ahead and chop up some garlic. And by now your onion should be ready, so go ahead and add all the rest of your ingredients. It makes for a beautiful color in your pan. And now let's go ahead and get some of this fresh corn from my mom's garden ready. I went ahead and shucked it, which I probably should have done outside, but oh well. And then I wrapped them in a wet paper towel so I could microwave them. Our vegetables should be getting very tender by now. And here's where you can season with salt and pepper. I added some oregano, but you could also do basil or Italian seasoning. And just in time, our sweet potatoes are perfectly done. And we'll go ahead and assemble our dinner. So I've got my corn, a sweet potato. I'll scoop up some of our beautiful zucchini and tomato saute. And I'll go ahead and finish off this cucumber that I've been eating on throughout the day. And now I like to keep the rest of my vegetables pretty simple with just some butter and salt and pepper. But you can go as simple or as wild as you want. I bet some of the Trader Joe combo spices would have been really good on this corn. And now you're ready to enjoy a colorful and tasty garden meal. Happy cooking! And if you like historical cooking and unusual cookbooks, here's 2 more videos you might enjoy. And make sure to like and subscribe for more foodie adventures.